Hi, and welcome to this episode of Christine Means Business. So today I want to talk to you about email marketing. And the first question that everyone has in their head is it worth it? Is email dead? So many people are overwhelmed by spam. Should I actually bother? And the answer is yes. There is no question about it. The reason why you should still be interested in email marketing and why you should care and seriously spend some time on it is because whatever the numbers of your followers on social media is, they don't belong to you. You can have your Facebook page shut down in an instant. You can have your Instagram account shut down in an instant. None of these people belong to you. You won't be able to store them somewhere outside because they belong to Facebook's or Instagram's or whatever's, Pinterest or whatever's database. So what you want to do is you want to have email addresses that are basically yours when people exchange their email address to you in exchange of value, which would be your email opt-in. So that is why it is absolutely crucial that you still invest your time in email marketing. Also, email marketing is unique in terms of how you can promote versus social media. Social media has not been developed to be a marketing platform. It is now cleverly being used as such by online businesses, but that was not the purpose of its creation. The purpose was to have people connecting with each other, to stay in touch, and to just see what is going on with everyone and to exchange news. And that hasn't changed. So even if you can promote on social media, which I do encourage you to do in an integer way, or in a way that doesn't feel salesy or pushy, but with integrity and with elegance, then that's totally fine. But expectations of people who will check out your feed is rather you coming from a place of service and just checking on your news rather than being promoted at, and a lot of people don't like it. With email, it's different. When people sign up to your email list or your newsletter or your roundup or whatever you want to call it, they know in advance that you will promote to them from time to time. And actually, you will actually tell them, or you should tell them, that when they sign up to your email list, that they will sometimes get news and promotions. So it should be really clear what will happen to them when they sign up. And this is good because some people will be like, no, I cannot be bothered, and they will not sign up, which also means that the chances that they would ever convert into a client of yours are minimalistic, versus having people saying, yes, I can live with that, I'm actually interested in that. They are open to your marketing and promotions, and they are much more likely to take a next step of actually buying from you. So it's a completely different way of talking to them, and you don't need to feel weird or salesy when you actually full on promote something, because those people have already raised their hand of working with you. So I hope that makes sense, and it really helps you to understand why email marketing is still so important today, even with social media platforms. Now, I really encourage you to spend some time into what value you can give to people in exchange of their email address, because we are having so much spam that people are more reluctant to give away their email addresses, or they have a spam email address that they never check. You want them to give you their best email address. So the opt-in or the freebie or the free gift, whatever you may call it, has to have some value. I have a free guide on how to create that opt-in with concrete steps of questions for you to ask what that could be, so that you have an easier time to collect those email addresses of people who are more inclined to actually work with you. So I hope this was helpful, and I talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.